Okay guys, so first I'm applying some good old moisturizer and sunscreen to hydrate my skin and protect it. And then I'm going to go with my L'Oreal Base Magic Primer and just dab it on my skin so that my makeup stays for a longer time. This really helps my base be flawless. Then I'm going to apply my Pond's BB cream and just take a few pumps and dot it all across my face using this Puma Store beauty sponge and blend it in. Dab, dab, dab. That's the key. Don't rub it in, creating a flawless base. I'm also not avoiding the neck. Next, I'm going with this Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer and applying it under my eyes, corners of my lip, the bridge of my nose and chin. And then I'm just again blending it using my beauty sponge. Next, I'm using this Compact by Maybelline and I'm using this powder brush and just dabbing it under my eye and on my eyelid because that's where I tend to get a little greasy and oily, even my T-zone. I'm avoiding my cheek because it tends to get dry soon, so I'm avoiding that. Next, I'm using my favorite contour kit and using this angled brush and just dabbing excess and applying it to the hollows of my cheekbones and just going very light with my hand so that there are no harsh lines. And I'm also obviously contouring my jaw because I gotta hide that double chin. Then I'm going to be applying it on my forehead as well, just to, give it a more blended look. Next, I'm using this really small oval brush which is by Nykaa. I did a review on this, so I will link it up. And I'm just, doing my nose cutting, very basic nose cutting, nothing too fancy. It is a daytime event, so I don't want to go too crazy with my contouring. Then I'm taking this highlight powder shade from the same kit and applying it at the bridge of my nose. It really makes an immediate difference. Then I'm going with this blush by Miss Claire and applying it to the apples of my cheek and making sure I blend it well. Next, I'm taking this eyeshadow brush and taking my favorite Makeup Revolution Pro highlighter and applying it at the high points of my cheek and the arch of my brow and just connecting the two in a sort of V. I just love how this highlighter looks. Of course, not forgetting the bridge of my nose just to make it look more sharp, and my Cupid's bow and my chin. Next, I'm applying this fixing spray and just letting it set and dry, and then using this beauty sponge to just dab everything back into my skin so that it stays longer and just has a smoother base. Next, I'm going with my blush again because I just felt it needed some retouch. Then I'm taking this Run Boy Run palette and taking that very subtle nude shade. I will put all the names in the description box, so check it out. And using this blender brush, I'm just blending it all in my crease. This palette, I'm taking this and then just going deeper into my crease and blending it with a very light hand. I'm not being very precise, I'm just, blending it all over my crease. Then I'm taking this beautiful pink nude shade and applying it to the outer crease, just again deepening it a little more and giving it a more definitive look. Then I'm taking this beautiful brown shade. I'm just using again in my outer crease to just deepen it even more because I really want to get that really nice blended effect. I'm also using the same shade in my inner corners because I am creating a halo effect with this and making sure I leave the center for my halo effect. Then I'm going with this red shade because I felt the brown was too brown. I wanted like a rust color, so I mixed this reddish color and the brown to give it a more rust look, and I'm loving how it looks. Then I'm using this makeup fixing spray on this brush and using this shimmery shade from the same palette, I'm going to create that halo effect. And I realized that it wasn't as popping out as I wanted it to be. So I actually went ahead and used the MAC Pigment and just went over it, and I think I like this way better, so I'm going to stick with this. Also, I know I'm not mentioning the shade names and all that because I'm literally just running over the voiceover, so I will make sure I write it in the description box, so check it out if you're interested. Then I'm using the same blender brush and just blending any harsh lines because the halo can't be a harsh, circle in the center of your lid. It has to be blended in with the rest of your shadow. Then I'm I'm using this angle brush and using that pink shade and just under my waterline and smudging it ever so slightly, not too much. And then I'm also going to be using the brown shade with the same brush and just go over the same line to give it a bit more smudged effect and make it look more blended with the eyeshadow look. Then I'm using my favorite eyebrow mascara and yep, going over my brows. You guys know this is my favorite. This is the NYX Tinted Brow Mascara in the shade Espresso Dark and I love this. This is my holy grail. Then I'm going with my Stay Quirky eyeliner, again something that I just keep reaching for. Everyone keeps asking me what eyeliner I use. This is the one. And then I'm putting on some mascara, also doing my lower lashes. I'm not going too crazy because I will be wearing falsies for this. So yep, going to wear this off camera. And I'm back and I'm going to be using my favorite lipstick, which is Nykaa So Matte lipstick in the shade Taupe Thrill. This is like, everyone loves this shade. So yeah, I'm just applying that on my lips. I'm also going to be using a powder puff to mattify the look, as it is a satiny finish and I love a matte lipstick. And this just makes it stay for way longer. So it looks weird, but it works, guys, trust me. And that's it. I'm just going to be wearing my outfit and come back. So yeah, with that we come to an end of this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed a makeup tutorial on my channel after the longest time. I think it's been a good 1.5-2 years. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed. Give this video a big thumbs up. Stay subscribed if you haven't already. And I will see you guys next time. Till then, stay happy, positive and blessed. Bye.